Made a little well worth it detour over here at the International Monster Truck Museum and Hall of Fame. Definitely worth a stop if you're coming through Butler, Indiana, or close to it. Make a little detour, definitely worth it. And it's funny, the first thing the guy said when I asked if it was okay to park out here with the LTL, he said, "Oh, just like Bigfoot's old hauler." And I said, "Yep, sure was." But they had a guy, Chris, here who was super nice, knowledgeable. Good place to stop by and check out if you got the time. Monster Truck Museum and Hall of Fame, Butler, Indiana. Definitely a cool place. I took a little detour this trip over here in Butler, Indiana. Came to the International Monster Truck Hall of Fame. And this place is truly something. Got Goliath here. Bunch of other monster trucks. Goliath. Pictures everywhere. I mean, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Black Stallion. Barefoot, Bigfoot. Predator. I don't remember this one. Shotgun Harry. Don't remember this one. That's a kid. Terminator. Too cool. Old Bronco. Oh man. Hercules. Wow. This place is amazing. Predator, I remember that one. Hercules kind of reminds me of another one. I think it was called High Life or Nightlife. I forget. Beautiful truck. This place is really something. King Kong. Tons of models. Too cool. Super Pete. Never saw that in real life. That's cool. Showing off. That was a cool truck. I remember that. Durliner. Super cool. USA 1. Definitely one of the nicest monster trucks around. Skull Bandit. Little HO monster truck setup. Too cool. This is cool. When I pulled in and I told the guy I had a truck and asked okay if it was okay to park here, he said, "Yeah, it's fine. There's no overnight parking." And I showed him the truck. He says, "Wow, that's just like the old Bigfoot hauler, the LTL 9000. And I said, "Well, yeah, not as nice though. But if anybody remembers, Bigfoot had a really beautiful LTL 9000. Actually, here's a Hot Wheels version of it. I remember that. Had that as a kid. Man. Too cool. Too cool. So the museum owns this truck, I believe, King Kong. It says it's got a cat in it. That's what he told me. It's a cat diesel. Not sure if it's like a little C7 or a C8, but there is a 625 horsepower emblem there. Pretty interesting. Beautiful truck. I think he said it was a 76 Ford. Yeah, King Kong. Cat turbocharged diesel, Allison 4-speed automatic. Huh, interesting. There's Barefoot and Knight Rider. I guess my age is showing, but I mean, I definitely remember Kit and Knight Rider, and don't remember that episode, but we're gonna have to look that up and watch it. GMC General that Kit used to go in. Yeah, that was cool. Predator. Equalizer. Too cool. Barefoot is here. Barefoot, remember him. Taurus, don't really remember Taurus much, but that's cool to see. So much memorabilia. Look at this. Hey, remember TNT Motorsports and National United States Hot Rod Association? Back when monster trucks were cool. Here's Excalibur. That was a really cool truck. Yeah, I don't know if anybody would be interested in this, but this stuff, it's just brings me back to my childhood. Nostalgic. This place is in Butler, Indiana. The guy said to take pictures and put it on social media, but this is the only social media I have, so I figured I'd make a video. Seeing Barefoot is pretty cool. It was a cool truck. Yeah, Goliath is a beautiful truck. Super cool. And just the pictures and the old pictures, and just, man, back when things were great, in my opinion. I guess it just reminds me of being a kid. That was a nice Bigfoot. Bigfoot 3. The shiny wheels, man, that thing looked nice. And I knew if I looked hard enough, I'd find something trucking related. Don't know what truck that is, but that definitely looks like out west. That is 76 somewhere. Can't tell what monster truck that is, but man, some cool rides. Cool stuff. Really cool. Here's another really cool ride. Oh, 359. I guess with that Super Pete or Big Pete, I forget what the names were of those. Looks like Washington State plates. Hard to tell what sleeper that is, but man, that's a cool ride. I don't know if this is picking it up or not, but man, that's something. Cool stuff. This Hercules truck really draws me in. Pinstriping, the colors. Really nice. Done up nice. Man, that's cool. If you're ever around Butler, Indiana, it's not far off I-69. I believe it's off US 6. You got to check this place out if you're into it, for sure. They don't allow overnight parking, but the lots are definitely big enough to slide a truck in, and then there's a little truck stop next door, which is, it's a Saturday right now. It's kind of full. The guys probably parked for the weekend, but definitely within walking distance as well. You come and see this stuff in person, because it's absolutely, the video or the pictures ain't gonna do it justice, that's for sure. The amount of stuff that's in here. Really cool.